see you again? Or shall I hide away, pretend that I never. We're Tim for Elite in the Running. I'm Tim.
I'm Rowan.
I'm James.
I'm Ed.
And I'm Luke.
What does it mean to you to be in the Soundwaves finals?
Oh, it's a nice opportunity just to play at a nice big venue. I mean, at Felixstowe, it holds about 900, is it? Yeah, it's just a great experience, you know, and to get on an album as well, you know, it's hard to get that opportunity, really. It's kind of alternative pop rock.
The sort of music we'll be hearing in a minute, in fact.
Yes, indeed.
And what you're up to next, what are your plans the rest of the year?
We've got a couple of festivals lined up, and Fordham Fest in Cambridgeshire. Yeah, and we're just going to try and get as many gigs as we can, really, and just see how it goes.
Excellent.
Right, this next one is actually on the album, so do go out and buy it. It's really good. I haven't heard it myself, but I know it's good. Rowan says come and fill the space, so please feel free to just get up there and start boogieing. At night, out to sea, there were lights falling from the sky, and I wonder where you were. Back to reality, and my mind is falling out of time, and I wonder where you are. Here comes my wake up call, my wake up call, wake up call, my wake up call. Or shall I hide away, pretend that I never seen you before? While the clocks seem to tick away, about to all the last cliches that remember, you chuck them out the door. 'Cause won't it be nice for someone to take my role, fill in the gaps with places that I control my brain. Sure, I'll be right in the end, with any well content. But darling, when I said it in a word, it made more sense to go. Hanging on your every word, so tell me what you know. This is a problem we can fix, I guess. I'm waiting for the day when I wake up. Try to convince myself I'm wrong, but then get swept up in this song like I never played it before. I look into your blue eyes, and it comes as no surprise. I'm waiting for you, 'cause won't it be nice for someone to take my role, fill in the gaps with places that I control my brain. Sure, I'll be right in the end, but then you will contend you're alive. Darling, when I said it in a word, it made more sense to go. Hanging on your every word to tell me what you know. This is a problem we can fix, I guess. Thank you.